Hi there, it's Grant here, and in this video I'm going to reveal how you can start a business as an affiliate marketer and promote AI tools to make huge commissions over the next 12 to 24 months. I believe this is the biggest opportunity in affiliate marketing, and it's going to be an absolute gold rush over the next year or two, because this is a new industry that is absolutely exploding. Now, I'm going to give you a bit of background. So if you don't know, in the past, literally 2 or 3 months, the AI industry has absolutely exploded. AI has come into the mainstream with the release of an AI tool called ChatGPT. Now, this is basically a writing and content tool that helps you to write all kinds of content, basically with the click of a button. And this tool, ChatGPT, has become the fastest growing tech product in history. I think in the space of 2 months, it's well over 100 million users and is growing exponentially. Unfortunately, ChatGPT doesn't have an affiliate program at the moment, which is a massive shame, because you'd probably be a millionaire if it did. But off the back of ChatGPT, loads of new tech companies are releasing new AI tools all of the time. And this gives us as affiliate marketers, or if you want to get into affiliate marketing, this gives you the perfect opportunity to start an affiliate marketing business in 2023 and start mopping up with a commission. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to find these AI tools. I'm going to give you one that I highly recommend. Then I'm going to explain how you can promote them so you can earn big commissions. Okay, so let's get on with it. So how do you find all of these new AI tools? Well, recently I discovered a website called Futurepedia, which is basically the largest AI tools directory in the world. And basically whenever any new AI tool comes out, it gets added on here. So what you want to do is come to this website, and this is basically going to be your research. So what you want to do is come here and just go through all of these AI tools, and these are only added today, I think. Just sort of come here and just go through, and as you can see, it says free trial, freemium. So all of these tools want to make money, so many of them are going to have plans. Some are freemium, some are paid, like this one here. And I want to show you one that I recently found just before recording this video, Copy.ai. And what I did, I clicked into this, and basically Copy.ai is an AI tool that helps copywriters and business owners write copy, writes blogs, high converting posts, and engaging emails. But what you want to do, scroll to the bottom, and basically look at the company, and it's got an affiliate program, which is great for you and me, because it means you can sign up for it and promote it. Now, what I did, this is what I do on every product I research, because this is all my strategy. Type Copy.ai into Google, and I've got a little Google extension that shows me the search volume. This company gets 365,000 searches per month. All of these people are interested in promoting Copy.ai. Why is this good for you? Because basically you can promote this to an affiliate and put your promotional materials right in front of these people who are looking to find Copy.ai. Why? How do we do this? How do we mop up this this is all buyer traffic. So how do we mop up this buyer traffic here? Well, what you want to do is, I advise you register for Copy.ai or any other tools. This is just an example. This is just Copy.ai. Register for Copy.ai, start using it, and then create a product review video for that product, and then rank it on YouTube for this keyword, Copy.ai. This is what I do as an affiliate marketer, and it's helped me to grow a 6-figure plus business using this very strategy. So yeah, just create a simple product review video, rank it, optimize your video for the term Copy.ai. You're probably going to need to upload a couple of videos depending on how competitive it is. But judging by this, there's no videos on page one. If we go here, basically, there's virtually pretty much no affiliates as far as I can see promoting it. So this gives you a golden opportunity to go and mop up and make huge commissions. Now, I haven't got time in this video to tell you how to optimize videos. I'll do that in another video. But this just shows you the huge opportunity we have as affiliate marketers to promote new AI tools and make an absolute fortune. Now, here's a tool that I promote as an affiliate and I use. It's called Jasper. Pretty much exactly the same tools, copy.ai. This has been around a while. I use it and it is absolutely brilliant. I love this tool. Saves me a load of time creating content, all types of different content, from blog posts, copy, and I absolutely love it. And again, with Jasper.ai, again, it's got 110,000 views a month who are searching for this product. These are all buyers pretty much looking for this product. So you can, again, sort of join Jasper.ai, play with it, and then start doing review videos and tutorials of, where you explain how you like the product, the pros and cons of it, and show people how to use it. And you'd optimize it for the keyword term Jasper.ai, get it ranked on page one, as you can see with these videos here, and then start making commissions. Now, the beautiful thing about all of these products here, most of them will be monthly billing, so you'll get monthly recurring income. You definitely get monthly recurring with Jasper. Do believe you get 30% of all, sort of commissions for life of the customers that you send it. So you could build, just say, for example, a customer bought through your link, paying at $50 a month, say $60 a month for maths purposes, get 30% of that, so $20 a month. If you put 100 customers, Jasper's way, excuse me, where everyone's paying $60 a month, you've just made $2,000 a month. So huge opportunity, huge opportunity here. And this is why starting an affiliate marketing business and promoting AI tools as affiliate is probably the greatest opportunity we have seen for a long time. And this industry has only blown up in the past few months. The next couple of years are going to be an absolute gold rush. Now, not every tool is going to be perfect, but you want to keep your eye out for the next huge tool. And when it takes off, you want to bang it out as an affiliate and start making huge commissions. This industry is going to create 6 and 7 figure affiliate marketers in the next couple of years. I'm telling you, huge opportunity. So that is basically what I've got for you today. Use Futurepedia to find AI tools that are up and coming tools that you think are going to explode. Basically, see if they've got affiliate programs, if they've got decent search volume. I mean, this is obviously a popular product. Start creating product review videos, upload them onto YouTube on the YouTube channel, optimize them for the product term, and then start making serious bank. Now, if you want to sign up to Jasper.ai and start using it and promoting it as an affiliate, what I'll do is I'll leave a link to Jasper.ai down below in the description. Basically, you get a 5-day free trial. You can start using it. It's an awesome tool, so I think you should have it anyway. But then once you've started using it, you can start knocking out product reviews videos as an affiliate and start raking in those commissions. Anyway, that's what I've got for you today. I'll leave a link to Jasper down below in the description. So that's what I've got for you today. If you like the video, why not like it? Why not subscribe to the channel to get more awesome content like this? Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you found the video useful. Get out there and start building your affiliate marketing business. Start promoting AI tools ASAP, because it's going to make you a lot of money. Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.